Hello, Ussi. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Jerry.
Very nice
Nice to
background.
meet you
Thank
too.
you. I like it.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
I am in Prague, Czech Republic. And where are you now?
Zanzibar, Tanzania.
Super. Perfect. Perfect. I have it on my map behind me. Zanzibar, Tanzania.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you. Our honored guest is, and excuse me if I read wrongly, Ussi Abuu Mnamengi.
Yes, nice. Ussi Abuu Mengi.
Nengi. How are you today?
Yes. Good. You?
Yes, it's okay. Everything is fine.
Thank you. So nice.
Perfect. And let's welcome to our podcast. Today we will be talking about many things. And before, I would like you, if you can introduce yourself, tell us what you do professionally, please.
Okay, thank you. My name is Ussi. I am not only Industry 5.2 ambassador, I am human being who was interested of sustainability and equitable development. Humanity has been one of the most rewarding experiences of my life. From 2021 up to date, I have been conservation catalyst on the WildHub platform. Catalyst for change. I want to contribute to people's well-being and provide into sustainability and equitable development. And also, I have been country coordinator at Global Sustainable Future through progress through partnership network. Previously, worked at Tanzania Development Trust as a mapper, and I have been part of United Nations volunteer program since 2016. Thank you.
And I see that you are doing many things. Do you have also time for hobbies, free time activities?
I'm watching wildlife film. I like to watch a wildlife film and write a blog.
Yes, this is very interesting. I would like to encourage everybody here, please write down your question for Ussi, and he will be happy to answer all the questions in the chat below. And also, please, Ussi, afterwards, write us your blog name to the chat, and we will be happy to see what is your writing about. Because once you told me about protecting elephants, it's only elephants or other animals too? Perfect. Next question. What are you happy about from your past?
Yes, I'm most proud of it is to be conservation catalyst on the WildHub platform. WildHub community platform is a smart things for great networking. WildHub is a platform that has connected me to become country coordinator at a global sustainable future network. Now, I'm not only country coordinator in my nation, I am Industry 5.0 ambassador in my nation, Tanzania. WildHub is the right thing to do for people and sustainable planets. Thank you, Jerry.
Thank you, Ussi. And tell me something about your present moment now. What are you working on now? Which projects at this moment?
Yes, Jerry. I'm working on the 17 Global Recovery Challenge. Our daily responsibility is to ensure that we face the global challenge, any international challenge that aim to restore the economy, society, nature, and industry around the world to be sustainable and sustainable for the environment and a sustainable world. The project has 17 months, started from January 1st, 2022, and ends on May 31, 2023. 17 projects aim to turn the world into a place where all people can live in peaceful, balanced, fair life, and sustainability together, and only together we can achieve.
Now I have one very difficult question for you, and this is the future of our planet, of our world. What do you think holds this future? How do you see the future?
My future plan are having diplomats. Of course, I plan to continue sustainability because I want to become better in my work.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Ussi, do you want to give us some final message for our audience? Some important short message?
Yes, first I would like to invite you on the behalf of Industry 5.0. I am delighted to invite you, your family, friends, and colleagues to become a member of Industry 5.0 today. Together and in solidarity, we build the wasteless world. Industry 5.0 seeking global partnership and global community of environmental leaders, business leaders, and individuals to share experience, coordinate activities, and exchange ideas to find environmental solution. Yes.
Yes.
The best message. Wait a moment. Environmental sustainable world cannot happen without dedicated environmental sustainability and equitable development. According to Intergovernmental Panel on the Climate Change, 6 assessment report, approximately 3.3 to 3.6 billion people live in contexts that are highly vulnerable to climate change. And the current unsustainable development pattern are increasing exposure and ecosystem and people to climate hazard. Thank you.
Yes, now I would like to thank you, Ussi Abuu, for this interview. It was very nice. Thank you very much. Our guest was, and now I again must pronounce your name correctly, Mnamengi.
Yes, Ussi Abuu Mnamengi.
Yes, perfect, perfect. Thank you very much, Ussi, and take care of yourself.
Thank you, Jerry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. By the way, do you have any question for me?
Yes. I haven't any question, but what is the weather today in your country?
Weather?
Weather.
Yes. It's good. Today is good. It's not hot. And tomorrow will be very hot. For example, tomorrow will be 40 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
It will be very good.
And
which day today is 30. Today is 30 degrees.
Yes.
So it's okay. Today is
which day? Yes, it's good. Which day you will visit my nation, Tanzania?
Yes, I would like to. And this is a mutual. You come to Prague, also Czech Republic. I come to your country, Zanzibar. It's perfect idea. Thank you for invitation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.